We're going early for this. £12.32 for the... passing Claypole, so it's not that bad. 13:38 Lumo service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. Nearly said LNER then. I'm not bothered about E11, we'll move on, I think. Been here long enough. To be fair, E11 won't be staying at stopping at Northgate though, we're going straight through, so we'll see. There's no planned engineering works or industrial action planned for now. I've been checking on LNER app, because that's all I've got. I ain't heard out from Northern. I don't think they're on strike for a bit. Yeah. Couldn't get away from Newark-on Trent. They were just mad. Here we are. That were quick. Lumo. $803,301. That should be it for a bit. Right. Here we go again then. Yeah, D1 thing will be lower than us. Wow. Well, I've got to say, I'm quite impressed with this crossing, because that bevy used to bang. Anyway, time now is 13:14. This will be the 13:19 LNER Arizona from London King's Cross to Leeds. Yeah, definitely. E10 closing in though. I think that might be double. I think that might be a separate Bullpit lane. Grid reference Sierra Kilo 822523. Mileage East Coast Main Line 1, 118 miles, 26 trains. That'll be a separate closure, I think. Saying it's near Carlton, it might be. Well, I think we're gonna do all Claypole area, because there's only 3, I think, down there. Osterfen, Claypole, obviously, Barnby Lane. There's 4, but I don't think we'll do Broadfen, because it's a bit of a, it's not a nice crossing, that one. No, it's horrible. Here we are. One D13 for Leeds. $801,104. Here we go. Shortly back down again.